Hello po guys, nandito na naman si Danson Mira. So ang gagawin po natin is mag-exercise po ulit tayo ngayon. This is our everyday exercise. So let's go, let's exercise na po. So ito na po yung mga exercise natin. Jumping jacks, standing knee crunches, cross punches, glute bridges, kickbacks, glute bridges, kickbacks, sit-ups, up and down planks, sit-ups. Hello guys, so tapos na po tayong mag-exercise. So yun po, at least na babawasan tayo kahit pauti-uti. At dahil yung muscle natin is nadadagdagan. So yun, please follow, like, share, and subscribe to my channel po. And lahat po ng description lahat po ng social media ko is nasa description sa baba. Yun lang po. Paalam.